Open your browser and search Infinity Free. Click on the first link. Click on Client Area button to log into the client area. Log into your account or sign up if you don't already have an account with Infinity Free. Of course, solve CAPTCHA and click on Sign In. After signing in, you'll need to create an hosting account and register a domain name if you don't have that already. Select new hosting account if you have one created already. Before we continue, let's visit our site to confirm nothing is hosted on IT. As you can see, nothing is hosted on the site yet. Domain name is empty. Now select an hosting account to access cPanel. Open cPanel and scroll down to Softaculous App Installer to proceed to install WordPress script. Click and open Softaculous App Installer. You will find default scripts like Joomla, Laravel etc. But what we will install is the WordPress script, which is the first script on the page. Click on Install. Select the site theme and description. Set up your admin account login. Select only Classic Editor plugin and move on to select a Prophetic theme. After all is done, click on Install to start installing the script right. You might have to wait a minute for installation to complete. Installation have been completed successfully. Now let's view our site. Now let's log into our